Hi, and welcome back. So today I'm gonna work on the Bronco, and I'm gonna put in a patch panel which basically covers almost the whole side. As you can see, it's pretty rusted out, and so yeah, that's the panel right there. So let's get started. Here we go. Well, I have it almost ready to start welding it in. I decided to cut it just under the lip here, and then I left a little bit of the lip on the new panel and just kind of stuck it under there. I think that'll work best. That way the body lines and all stay the same. So yeah, I have this little piece with the same body lines that I'll weld this piece on here, this little one here. So I think should work good. We'll see. Well, I have it spotted in. Lines up pretty good. I am beat and tired, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.